So what I do is set it up. The initial question, I'm just asking the cop to affirm his prior statements. Remember, when he makes the stop, he's making legal determinations. He's making legal claims that he has authority, a jurisdiction to require you to give them a driver's license. These are not statement of facts. How many times you got to say it? So I ask him, again, to merely affirm his prior statement. Yes or no, because that's the beauty of a leading question. You see where we're going with this? If I'm asking yes or no, I'm not trying to elicit a legal conclusion, am I? Did you determine that the laws applied to me, or just because you saw me physically in Arizona, that your laws applied and that gave you jurisdiction over me to conduct a stop and may have probable cause to investigate? That's yes or no. I'm not asking him to actually answer with a legal conclusion or a legal determination, even a legal claim. I want him merely to restate that is what happened at the stop. Now, there's never an objection to that question, just as there shouldn't be, because you're just restating prior statements. Oh, we're doing over there. So let's continue. The follow-up question is the one that triggers all these critics, okay, and causes something we've known for decades. This is what gets them out of their chair, because they're lying. And the question is, listen very carefully here. It's the same damn question we've been asking for I don't know how many years. What facts did you rely on to prove your Constitution applied to me and gave you jurisdiction over me to do a stop?
Okay, Mark. You see what you have on the screen there? You're asking for facts that the cop has that proves the Constitution applies. You see that word prove? That's what that statement turns on. It's not the facts. It's the fact that you want a cop to prove the Constitution applies. Well, that's not his job. A cop has no burden of proof. And for him to say any legal issue, such as whether a law applies here or the Constitution applies there, is beyond his scope. He's a law enforcer. He's not a legal expert. And he can't testify to issues outside his scope of knowledge and expertise. So that's one reason why they jump up and object. Two things. You're asking a cop to prove something, and the cop doesn't have any burden of proof. You're asking a cop to make a determination, or what's called a conclusion of law, whether the Constitution or the laws apply to your case or to you. He cannot answer either one of those questions. That's why you get the objection. Now, if you asked him, on what facts did you base your opinion that the laws applied to me or that you had cause to stop me? Now, that's a question he can answer. Even if they jump up and object, all you have to do is say, Your Honor, I'm just requesting lay witness opinion testimony of what led him to believe that the law applied to me in this case, and that being the reason why he stopped me. I just want to know his opinion, and under Rule 701, I can ask that question. So I'd like for that objection to be overruled, Your Honor, and that's the way you deal with it.